right, guys, the moment of truth. We're gonna see if it starts up. We got a battery in there. Let's see.
It wants to. I think we gotta get the connection better, or maybe get the battery charged.
Yeah, that's my old battery.
Yeah, we might need to give it a charge. It's like it wants to go. It wants to. It's not enough.
I have another battery.
That'll fit.
That'll fit.
Oh. Dinner is served. Note: if you're gonna try and start a car, make sure the battery is charged and it fits. We'll be right back after these messages. Like steady around like $3,000. Subi gang, son! So that's definitely a positive.
Yeah, he's running.
Shit is stale, stagnant, starting to move around. Alright, cut it. Cut it. Alright, so you want to cut yours off? So, more points for JDM culture. This car's been sitting for 4 years.
Yeah, 4 years.
It's a 96,
97.
a 97 Impreza sedan.
Yep.
If you guys can't tell, all these pulleys are rusted. So we're gonna need new pulleys everywhere, new alternator. We're gonna need to replace the cooling hoses. We're just gonna need to get fresh all the way around. Upgrade the radiators, just to make sure we get out anything that's been dirty, especially with the way it's been sitting. As you can tell, the condition around the engine bay. We're gonna have to clean this out from top to bottom.
We might be putting a new motor in. Who knows?
Yeah, new motor down the line. And look, even this was disconnected. I'm not sure.
I think that's the coolant, maybe. Because he did mention he diverted the coolant to go straight from well.
All right, so he did a coolant diversion kit. So, oh, you know what? This goes into the engine bay. So this is so he blocked off the core, the heater core.
Yeah.
So basically, you got no heat in this car. so we're gonna have to take a look at that, because obviously, depending on what we do with this, we're gonna want heat. Unless it's just gonna be a straight race car, and then at that point we don't give about heat. Yeah, but I mean, good thing that it started. We definitely need coolant. That's why we cut it off so quick. You can definitely hear some of the bearings and inside the pulleys have gone. You can definitely smell how stale the oil is. Yeah. But it started, like, once we got the battery charged up enough, it started up just fine, no problems. Probably gonna need a new clutch. That clutch is going down to the floor.
Yeah, everything.
Yeah.
Everything on this car is gonna be from the bottom up is gonna be brand new.
Yeah. We're definitely gonna have to inspect the brake lines going all the way back to make sure that we don't need those. We might have to get your brother involved in this to some degree. Just, you know,
like they have audio or something.
Huh?
What is that?
Yeah, so this is the audio
line.
hookup. Yeah, so there's an audio fuse. So we'll probably find some loose wires in the trunk.
We do got windshield wash.
Yeah, we got plenty of windshield washer fluid. We good there. Probably gonna have to replace your brake master cylinder as well. Brake fluid is pitch black. I'd be surprised if it's not
stiff. No,
it's got some movement. Power steering fluid.
Empty.
Nah.
There's something in there.
It looks like there's something in there, but we didn't run it long enough for it to rise up. But I would flush and drain that. Honestly, I'll probably just replace the entire steering rack altogether. You know what I mean? After we inspect it, if the steering rack is not bad, it's not leaking, and it's stiff, then we're good to go. But yeah, so this is gonna be an upgrade party.
Yep. We was gonna move it back, but the back brakes, emergency brake is locked. So yeah, we'll find some alternative to do that some other time.
Yeah, I think first thing we need to do, get these wheels off, do a rear brake conversion so we can get it moving, so we can, you know, have some mobility. Yeah. And then it'll give us a prime opportunity to check out the brake lines, and then from there we'll get into some other stuff. Yeah. But I think that should be our first thing. So we're gonna be looking for a rear brake conversion kit.
I'm gonna have to look that up.
Or we could just make a trip to the junkyard and see what we can find.
That's true. They should have some of these over there.
Yeah, they definitely should.
They should.
Make sure that. So trip to the junkyard. We might be returning Junkyard Adventures for the RS. We'll have to look up and see what trim level of these had disc brakes all the way around.
We're gonna have to look for a 2.5 RS.
All right.
I think that's when it had a
2.5 RS. I think. Don't we know somebody? Yeah, 2.5 RS. Oh no, he got no.
No, he has the.
He's just into the newer.
Yeah.
He's just into the next body style. All right, never mind. I was gonna be like,
let me get that.
Pat. Is this a cocoon? It's an alien cocoon. Hell.
That's my baby.
You got anything left to say on this?
Let's show them inside.
All right, let's pop the trunk, baby. Trunk pop.
Like he was saying, the old shifter boot, old school. There you go, old school. I haven't opened the trunk yet. I don't know what's in there.
So
let's see.
Oh, let me go get my phone flashlight.
Yeah, we need a flashlight for this. I don't know what's in there. Hello?
Who's gonna jump out and get you?
Hello?
So we got a 4-way. We got some connections for wiring. We got some connections for wiring. Obviously, we got wiring unit set up. Stereo. Yeah, so definitely some water got in here because obviously all the seals are busted. I mean, not all of them, but we gotta clean this shit out.
Clean that out.
Underneath.
We got some lug nut thingy right there.
We got some water take on right over there. We got a 4-way in here, some plastic. We're gonna have to remove all this wiring. Yeah, we got a ground.
Yep.
So I
other than that, it's pretty clean.
Yeah, probably gonna tear out that stereo wiring.
Yeah.
You know this is just what over there.
But it's not bad.
No, not terrible. What's this under here?
No, where's this?
Still got the trap.
Some
spare wheel.
Still look fresh.
Is that a Volkswagen wheel? Yes, it is. Why he got a Oh, you know why? Because these are 5x100. So, you know what?
German gang, I'm half German.
Yo, listen, you know what? Friggin', I got some 5x116s at the house. These are,
those 15s, right?
If I can find them. Yeah, these are 15s. I got 16s at the house. You just. Yeah, bro. So I was probably gonna junk them, but now I'll probably save them for this. This probably go larger, 17s, maybe 18s, safely.
Forget 18s.
16, 17?
Yep. Keep it small.
Small, agile, nimble. More cleaning out. Yeah, I mean, these gaskets actually don't look too terrible.
No. I think the water got in because of this.
Yeah.
All this dirt buildup.
Yeah. It couldn't redirect. It's not. This is not entirely shit. I mean, this is a shit box. But it's not complete and utter garbage. Something could be made of it.
Yeah.
We get this cleaned up. Maybe sand down some of the rusted spots. I think this would be a good body for a wrap job. That's cool, baby. I'll tell you right now, I ain't working on this in the winter. WrenchHeads about to take a wintertime hiatus this year.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna be working on this in the winter. But
so we gotta be able to get it movable first.
Movable, put in the back. By the time winter comes, I should have either a carport or something to go around.
Something to cover it. All right.
So if we do work on it, we're not getting snowed on, rained on, or anything else like that. You know what I mean? As long as we get the majority of the stuff that needs to be done under, we should be good.
So we should probably, so that's where we should probably start. Underneath, rear brake conversion.
Yeah.
Verify the condition of the brake lines. Make sure our e-brakes are set up. We'll probably have to change those over because of swapping to a disc brake setup. They might be a little bit shorter from the drum brake setup. But they might not be. It might be good. But do that, and then make sure our suspension is good. Make sure our any mounts.
We're putting new suspension on.
Brand new suspension.
Brand new suspension. Any bolt down there that we could take off.
Fresh bolts.
Fresh bolts.
All right.
Throughout. Sway bar, I'm switching. Brand new.
End links.
End links. Everything on this car has to be
complete transformation.
Yes.
From bottom to top.
Mm-hmm.
We'll do everything that we can do. Yeah. Safely. Well, I mean, let's be honest. There's gonna be some stuff that we can't do. There's gonna be some stuff that we may either have to get a shop, like a specific shop involved, or we may have to get your brother involved, possibly.
Yeah.
So, I mean, with all that, I'm good to go.
You seen it? New project car.
Super game.
We're gonna try to start this
in living color.
As soon as possible. As soon as I could gather more information about that conversion kit and the sway bars and everything. Matter of fact, before we even do that, what we're going to do is jack up the car, which will be at another time, and see the condition of the bottom, because I really didn't get to look at the bottom of the whole car, so I don't know how it looks. If that comes back good with some, like, you know, minor surface rust or whatever, then we'll start the rear conversion, bolts, sway bar links, sway bar, everything else, and we're gonna start this.
Yeah, that's my main concern, is because this doesn't even look like it's leaking. It looks like whatever rust is on here is just from age. Yeah. Yeah, so we might actually be good. The master cylinder actually looks pretty good. There's minimal rust around here, so I honestly wouldn't touch it. I would just bleed it all the way through. Make sure we can get to the slave cylinder. Bleed that all the way through, and then as long as those brake lines underneath are good, I think we'll be all right. That's my biggest concern as of right now. That's the brake lines.
Yeah, don't want those to
Nope.
pop off.
All right.
All right, you've seen it. So you'll see us on the next video, or me on the next video for sure. We'll start this as soon as possible. Don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram,
Facebook,
on us building this to old school body style rally car.
Old school body rally car, baby.
Yeah.
4-door rally car.
2-door.
This is 4.
2.
Oh snap!
Bruh. Cool.
2-door rally, baby.
Cool.
Rally life.
Oh yeah. As always,
Wrench Daily.